Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying study at home. I have completed chapter 7 fractions. I hope all have understood. And if I have any doubt, any problem of that chapter, you can ask without any hesitation. Today I will start the new chapter, decimal. I hope you are little familiar of decimal from previous class, that is class 4. So, in this video, I will tell what is the decimal number, how to read decimal numbers, and how to use addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. So, now start chapter number 8, decimals. Chapter 8, decimals. You know how to read the numbers in whole number form. Here, I would like to remind how to read the number or how the places are increasing or decreasing from previous one. So, here, you know that here whole number parts first in like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and so on. After that, once here right side the places, you can write here 10 tens, that is this tens, hundreds, hundreds and thousands. See here, suppose I want to spell the position of 1, counting number 1 in all the places. Here counting number 1, if here it will be 1's place, the value of this is 1, 10's place the value of 1 is 10, and 100 place 100, and 1000 place 1000, and 10,000 place like 10,000. This is the value of counting number 1 in different places. And tens, you are familiar one tens. In class 4 I have discussed about 110, 100 and 1000 and so on. So here 110 means if any whole things are divided into 10 equal part, then out of 10 part, one part is known as 110, and rest form is written as 1 by 10. And similarly, if all things are divided into 100 equal parts, then each part known as 100. And similarly, if any whole things are divided into 1000 equal parts, then each part known as 1000. So the value of this is 1 by 10, and this is 1 part, 1 by 100, and 1 by 1000. See children, if you see the value of 1 from right to left side, then you will see 1000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. You are seeing here the places from left to right is decreased by 10 times, and the places from left to right are increased by 10 times. So this system is known as decimal number system. Suppose you want to write this number in decimal form, so you can write 1000 plus 1000 plus 10,000 plus 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. So 1100, 1111, 1111, and that you know the decimal form of 1 by 10. This is the written as 1 by 10, you can written as 0.1. So you can write this, and that place is known as 111. So you know that about this number. This number is more than 1111 and less than 1112. This number is greater than 1111 and less than 1112. So you can think about the number. How to read the decimal number 1111. So and this system known as decimal number system, decimals 1/10 is given in our. So I will know how to read the decimal numbers. Let's start the exercise on page number 99. Here given what decimal number do these two. So here first page square or rectangle, maybe these are divided to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The full whole square or rectangle, the full big rectangle are divided to 10 small rectangles. And here 9 part or 7. So here asking write this as decimal number. So this can be written as 9 by 10 or 0.9. It's 9 by 10 or 0.9. So in this way you can complete this was first one and this page number. Page number it is 99. Here asking the decimal part. So this 9 means 0.9 and second. Here see two rectangles are coincided. So 1 and 1. This can be 2 and this is decimal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So this can be written as 2.7. This can be written 1 plus 1 plus 7 by 10. This can be 2 plus 0.7. This becomes 2.7. So that you can write in your notes book. And 3 and 4 you can do by yourself. Now here question number 6 and write down how these numbers are made. And page number 2, I am not writing question. You can see the question from book. Children. Yes, asking write down how these numbers are made. First one, this is written this. How to read? Here we go the decimal known as whole number part after the point known as decimal part. And in decimal part we have to read the numbers separately. And the whole numbers you know how to read. So this can be read as 0, 0.9. And third, this was first written here. 4. This can be written as 4.3. And similarly, suppose I want to read here last one, 8th one. 34.458. How to read 34? This is whole number 5. You know how to read whole numbers. 34. 34.458. Keep your mind after decimal. That is decimal part. We have to take the numbers separately. So write these as decimal. I hope third one you can do by yourself. And fourth one also you can complete it. And now come on here on page number 98. That was sorry. I was first page number 1. 0 and hundreds place is 8. That is first decimal place is 0 and second decimal place is 8. So answer first one right, that is 521.10 means first decimal place 0, hundreds means second decimal place. What is second decimal place? The place after the point at second number known as second decimal place. So in this way we can write, and the second here written 10 is 3 and 1 is 9, so 39 and 10th place start decimal 0.471. So in this way you can complete remaining questions. I will discuss on page number 98. Page number 98. Here ask you spend the following numbers in fractions and in decimal. Question number 1. Children time very less. I want to do more and more questions in short time. You can see the question from your notebook. Take your notebook and see the question from here. First one we are asking spend the following numbers in fractions and in decimals. First one here given 86.32. So here asking write in spelled form in both in decimal form and decimal form. You know this number is given as 86.32. Here 3 is known as tens place. So tens place is 3 and this is hundreds place, not 100. This 100 place is 2. So this can be in fractional form. This standard form of right 80 plus is in fractional form. First time I will 3 by 10. 3 tenths and this 200 2 by 100. And this again asking right decimal form 6 plus and this decimal form 0.3 and this is 0.02. This is 100 place, so after point this number should be second place. So this was fractional form x null form and this is known as decimal form. And third one see third one here number 4.937. This is one place, so no problem. You can write this 4 as 4. This is whole number part one place, and this is 9 by 10. This is 3 by 100, 300 and 7,000. Thousand, not thousands. This was fractional form and decimal form 0.9 plus 0.03 plus 0.007. The third decimal place is known as thousands place. I hope you understand. And in question you can do by yourself. Write the following in decimal form. Here is standard form was given. You have to write the decimal form only. Second one, question number second. Question you can see from book. Write the following in decimal form. Suppose this first question 100 plus 20 plus 9 and plus 1 by 10. So 100 plus 20 plus 9 and 129 and decimal form this 0.1. So last one 700 plus 90 plus 2 plus 5 by 100. Sorry, 5 by 10 plus 4 by 100 and plus 3 by 1000. Very simple. I hope you can know 792.543. So remaining questions should complete by yourself. And the third one, write have given the answers in study material, and you can do after the first two questions. So you can do by yourself this one, fractions and decimals. Now next one, here asking explain the following decimal notation as ordinary fractions. That is how a fraction will be converted into, how a decimal numbers can be converted into fraction. Very important this. This is new for you and this will be very useful for next classes. So this question should do carefully how to express decimal number in fractional form or in ordinary fraction. So now come on. On page number 100, page number 100, see, first question is asking explain the following decimal notation as ordinary fraction. So question should be very combo 0.7. You know that children, fraction two terms only, numerator and denominator. What will it be numerator of this fraction? Now you should understand how to write. See, this number can be written in fraction form 0.7 by 1. When you are saying this is the decimal, this is the fraction, no problem, answer you. No, decimal should not be here numerators. Here asking ordinary fraction means without decimal. So see how to write. I will tell you some steps. You should follow that step. I can write directly after doing some questions. So see here, you know that if any fraction multiply numerator and denominator same number, then the fractions will be remains unchanged. So wherever this will be unchanged, this is fraction form. We have to multiply both number by 10, because if you multiply 0.7 by 10, then the decimal will be removed. Or simply known as 0.77 by 10, 7 tens. So that we can write R 0.7 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. This will become decimal 7 by 10. So from here to there, we can write directly 7 tens. So the next question I will do directly. This question also you can write directly. 0.7 is 7 tens, 7 by 10. And second 0.007. This can be written 700. So 7 by 100, because this non-zero number in at second place. So 700. And third here given 0.101. So this is 3 decimal place, 101 by 1000. That is 101,000. So you can write directly. Here see how to write. One method is given. You have to write this number without decimal as numerator and denominator. What should be denominator? You count the number of decimal place. If there are 3 decimal place, so denominator should be 1000. If there are 2 decimal place, so denominator should be 100. If there is 1 decimal place, so denominator should be 10. I hope you understood. Okay? Many are things are why this 7 you can write the decimal 007 by 100. And you know that this is same as 7 by 100. And this also can be written without decimal by 07 by 10. This can be written 7 by 10. And this without decimal you can write without decimal 0101 by 1000, because here can is decimal place. Suppose you want to know how count the decimal place. Number of decimal place is same as the number of digit after decimal. It is very important to know the number of decimal places in different decimal numbers. So I explain how to write the number of decimal places just to count the number of digits after the point. So in this way you can do the remaining questions. And this one, you can directly see from 10th one. See, 10th one here given whole number part. Whole number part is not 0, 0, 7. Since then you can write this as, see, I told you have to write this number without decimal. See, ignore the decimal, just copy all the number as a numerator. So 7, double 0, 7. And see, what should be denominator? You count or write decimal as 1. And count the number of places or number of days after 1. 1, 2, 3. So after 1, 3. That is 1000. And see, this numerator is greater than denominator. You can convert it into mixed fraction. So if you divide it, 17 as a whole number part, 0, 0, 7 as a numerator of fraction, and denominator will not change. This can become 17 and 7 by 1000. And see, from here to there you can write directly. Here whole number part is 17 and decimal, that is fraction part will be 7 by thousands, because 7 is thousands place or after 0.3 decimal place. So after this, that last mixed fraction you can write directly the next coming portion. And that one also you can write like this. Suppose you want to do after 8.05. So that you can do this whole number part in 14 and this 2 decimal place. So 0, 5 you can write 5 by 100. So remaining you should complete by yourself. Question number second, write this fraction as a decimals. So in this way, here decimal form are given. You have to write in decimal form. Question number 2, on page number 101. Write these fractions as a decimal. First three very simple, 9 by 100. So this is 9 hundredths place. This is 9 hundredths. So this can be written as in decimal part. There should be 2 place. So here only 1 place. 1 before 9 you can write 10 and here 0.09. That is it. And second, second 8 by 10. You know that 0.8 or 0.8 both are same. If anybody written 0.8, same. 0.8. This can be written 0.09. So, and third here given 32 by 100. This can be written 0.32. And fourth one like this, fifth here is given 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000. So this 3 decimal place should be. So after point here only 1 place. So 2 zeros should be right. This 0.002. If anybody written 0.002, then also correct. And how to write the next number in decimal form? Suppose here 7 here given 1 and 2 by 10. So this is the whole number part is 1. 1.2. 1 and 2 by 10 is 2 tenths. This is 0.2. So 1.2 directly you can add. And 8 1, 3 and 5 by 1000. So this whole number part is 3. That is before the point should be 3 only. And this is 5 by 1000, 5,000. So 3 decimal place. Only 1 place here. So 2 more zeros should be here in between. So 3.005. I hope you can complete the remaining by yourself. Question number 5. Here asking express as a decimal. How express as decimal? Express as decimals 1 by. Children, you may express easily of any fractions whose denominator was 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 in decimal easily. Here this fraction denominator is not 10. So how any fraction can be converted into decimal? First you make this denominator as 10 or 100 or 1000. So see, by using the property of equivalent fraction by multiplication, you can write an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 whose denominator should be 10. So we want to denominator here 10. So which multiples of 2 become 10. So which multiples of 2 becomes 10. So multiply by 5. If here multiply by 5, so numerator also should multiply by 5. Then it will give the same way. Then both are equal. So this can be 5 by 10 and this can be write in decimal form easily. 5 tenths means 0.5 and you can write 0.5 and second here fraction are being divided. So no multiple of 4 becomes 10. So you should think about 100. How came 100 from 4? So you can divide 100 by 4. It becomes 25. 25 over 100. So this becomes 75 by 100 and this can be write in decimal form 75 hundredths 0.75. And third one here given 4 by 5. So we know 4 by 5 and second multiple will be 10. So 8 by 10. This becomes 0.8. Suppose this is 1, then you will 1 and 2 by 5. So this is a whole number part is 1. How to convert this into decimal? 1, the decimal part 2 by 5 is convert into decimal part. This value is 2 by 5 and this 1 plus this 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This can be 1 plus 4 by 10. That is 1.4. Now see 3 4 by 25. This two number 3 point something will come because here whole number part is given 3. This is a least number. This number consists two part. Whole number part and second part is a proper fraction. So this is 3 whole number part will be 3. That is a decimal before point only 3 will be. What should be our point? We have to discuss about 4 by 25. So this can be written in 3 plus 4 by 25. Now think about number 4. This outcome decimal number is 4 by 25. This becomes 100 by 29. 4. So this can be written as 3 plus 16 by 100. So 3.3 plus 0.16 and this becomes 3.16. And the safe way to get to here. 8th one are given 5 and 6 by 20. This whole number part is 5 plus 6 by 20. 20 should be converted to 100 by multiplying 5. Multiply here 5 here also 5. So 5 plus 20 by 100. So this can be 5 plus 0.30 and this can be 5.30. And the remaining how to convert unlike decimal, what are like decimal, what are unlike decimals. I will discuss in next video, and operation of decimal numbers and comparison of decimal numbers also will be next video. So I will give some practice questions to solve it, and how was the video? Please tell me. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.